The Four Agreement by Miguel. Main message is, by consciously adopting agreements with ourselves on how to act with integrity, we begin to take control of our lives. We do not want to become the prey of what author calls black magician, people who can damage us with their words. You eat all their emotional garbage and now it becomes your garbage. But if you do not take it personally, you are immune in the middle of hell. The main message is, human mind causes us to see things incorrectly, to make assumptions that lead only to further mistruth because we are quick to assume. Author says we don't have ability to see things as they are. Human beings fears not knowing, so we make up answers for all of our questions to make us feel safe, whether they are wrong or right. Hence, the agreement, do not make assumptions. Assumptions create a lot of problems in relations because we assume that if a person loves us, they should know what we are thinking. Whatever strategy you come up with your life or whatever story you tell yourself, you have to make sure that it is a conscious creation.